Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to reach out to Luno support and the Luno security team step by step. If your account is logged, you notice suspicious activity, face login issues or have any security concern, this guide will help you contact Luno the right way, so make sure you watch till the end. So first you need to unlock the phone and open the Luno wallet and make sure you log into your account. And once you reach into this interface, on the bottom right we could see there's a profile icon. Over this menu icon we could see there's a security or help. You need to tap on the help. In the Help Center, you'll find answers to common questions about account security, login problems, verification, and transaction. You can search your issues using the search bar, or you can select the message icon in the bottom right, and you can type down your issue if you still need help. And over here, you'll find a chatbot inside the Help Center. And now you need to type down your issue into the chat, such as account security issue, cannot log in, or verification problem, and the chatbot will suggest solution automatically. And you need to follow the steps shown on the screen. And that's how you can contact Luno support using in-app chatbot. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.